Vanpool safety is a prime concern to all of us in the ride-sharing industry, and a safe vanpool depends largely on the performance of its driver. Lancer Insurance Company, the largest insurer of passenger transportation vehicles in the country, has made an investment to train drivers of vanpools insured by Lancer in the fundamentals of vanpool safety. This program was developed as part of Lancer's continuing commitment to safety and to policyholder support. Jack Burkert, Senior Vice President of Safety and Engineering for Lancer Insurance Company, is a noted motor vehicle training and safety expert. Jack has lectured extensively and written on this subject for almost 20 years. He will present the safe driving techniques to you. Lancer is sure that you and your entire Vanpool group will benefit from the information presented.
Hello, and welcome to this Lancer Insurance Company video on safe vanpool operations. During this program, we will present some ideas which can make you a better, safer, and more efficient vanpool driver. We'll offer you safety tips on many different subjects during this presentation, and we urge you to watch, listen, and then think about how the ideas presented here best fit your driving situation.
This tape will incorporate very important aspects to safe vanpool driving. 1. The basic van inspection before you drive. 2. The basics of van operation. And 3. Tips for driving safely no matter how bad the traffic might be.
As with any training session, we cannot cover every safety topic, nor can we foresee every situation you may encounter in your day-to-day operations. However, this program will give you some ideas about vanpool safety. Ideas we hope will interest you, help you drive more safely, and get you started on many years of safe vanpool operation.
Operating the safest possible vanpool means accepting the responsibility of doing the many things that are necessary to assure safety. This includes the steps you need to go through every day before you begin to drive. When your van is safe, reliable, and well-maintained, the results are safety, comfort, and less chance of an embarrassing en route breakdown. To perform a basic van inspection, you begin by checking the vehicle as you approach, looking under and around for any problems, such as leaks or damage. After you are satisfied with this initial check, you perform both operational and walk-around evaluations. As you arrive at the vehicle, your inspection begins inside, behind the wheel. After checking controls and making sure that the brake is engaged, start the vehicle. Listen carefully and make sure there are no unusual sounds or noises. After you are comfortable with the van's operation, turn on all of your lights, get out, and do a once around the vehicle circle check. Walk all of the way around the vehicle. Check tires, tread, inflation, signs of cuts, bulges, or breaks. As you go around, look for any damage or other unusual condition. Check to see that all of the lights are illuminated. Always make a point of checking your brake lights, right and left turn signals, and backup lights as well. This may be something you'll have a passenger help you with later on, or you might be able to do it from behind the wheel if you back up to a reflective surface. In any case, it's part of the inspection that you must remember to do on a daily basis and also during your weekly inspections. In cold weather, make sure all windows are clear to ensure proper visibility. Once you are sure that the van is safe, get back in behind the wheel, set your lights for driving, and check your mirror adjustment. Remember to wear your seatbelt. As you depart, do a slow-speed brake check. Accelerate to 10 or 15 miles per hour, firmly press the brake, and check that the van comes to a straight, efficient stop. You have now completed your daily vehicle check and have assured yourself of van safety. It is a good idea to continue to monitor gauges as you drive, to see that they continue to be in the normal ranges, and that the van is operating quietly and without any unusual noise or vibration. Those are sure tip-offs that something may be amiss and that additional professional checks may be needed. There are some other checks you should do as well. In general, these checks are performed on a weekly basis and should be done consistently and routinely. Included here are the checks under the hood: water, oil, belts, wiring, washer fluid, and battery. After starting your engine, check the transmission fluid. You should also check the condition and operation of your windshield wipers and make sure that the washer is operating properly. Check the emergency equipment: warning devices, fire extinguisher, first aid kit if required, and make sure that you have an accident report kit in the vehicle. Finally, do a complete inspection of all of your lights, turn signals, four-way flasher operation, and headlights, both low and high beam. Check your backup lights and brake lights. Here, a reflective surface or a helper is absolutely required. One important part of safe van operation is the proper setting and use of your mirrors. Mirrors are critical to your ability to drive safely. Setting them correctly can help to reduce or eliminate blind spots in your area of vision around the van. It is important, then, that mirrors be checked for adjustment. On the left side, align your mirror so that you see down the left side of the vehicle as a reference, setting it to maximize your vision to your left side. Set the mirror so that the horizon on level ground is just slightly above the center of the mirror. The right side mirror is often a convex or curved surface mirror. Using it allows you to see a wider angle of vision, but in it, distances can be deceiving. You need to look carefully when using this right side mirror. This mirror is also aligned differently. Here, the key is to align the mirror with the vehicle side, but to tilt it downward so that the level ground horizon is no more than 1/3 of the way down from the top edge of the mirror. On the right side, the action you need to see is closer and lower than on the left side. This simple mirror adjustment can make the difference between an accident and safe driving and between passengers alighting at a safe and level point or at an uneven, rocky or puddled area. These checks are all a part of your responsibility to provide the safest possible van trip. With them completed, you are off to a great start for Vanpool safety.
Your van is a special vehicle, and because it is special, it is a good idea to learn some of the hows and the whys of its steering, turning, and braking characteristics. Here at a training school like this one behind me, drivers can get first-hand behind-the-wheel practice. However, for anyone to get the most out of a training session like this one, we need to discuss what makes your van special and the things that make driving it different.
The first of these is weight. A van is heavier than a car and will feel different to you when you drive it. This feel affects handling and braking. The fact is, a loaded van can easily double the weight of an average car, and because of this weight, its comfortable braking distance is increased over a car. Today's vans have high-performance brake systems, allowing them to stop efficiently. However, the most efficient braking on a van may not be